In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. All you need to do is hold your display and wait for all of those options at the bottom to show. When they do, tap on Home Settings at the bottom right corner. Then select Icon Size. Operate this slider to adjust them and check out Preview at the top. Once you're ready, just go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!